Hey, casual crypto investor family. It is the casual crypto investor, and I'm back with another video. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July. I know I had the opportunity just to kind of relax, reset, recharge the batteries a little bit. Honestly, guys, I didn't even watch the fireworks. I heard them outside my house where I live, but the only fireworks I saw were in the back of my eyelids. So I was sleeping, man. I'm sorry. I was tired. But yeah, I hope everyone had a great 4th, had a chance to spend time with family and friends and eat some burgers and hot dogs and all that kind of stuff and fireworks and all that kind of stuff. So salute to everyone that served our country, both currently and in the past. And yeah, super grateful for 4th of July. Absolutely love it. Definitely one of my favorite holidays throughout the year. And yeah, so I was able to kind of recharge and reset and kind of relax a little bit. Super grateful for that. But even though with all the festivities happening yesterday and even this weekend, there are a lot of great things happening in the crypto space. So we're going to share some content for you guys today in regards to Ondo Finance. I've made a couple of videos on Ondo Finance in the past, but Ondo is definitely one of those particular crypto projects that I am very, very bullish on. And so got some content that I want to share with you, and it should be a really good video. So super excited to share this. This is awesome. Super bullish on Ondo. But before we do, let's take a look at the overall crypto market. We are up right now, sitting at a $3.33 trillion market cap. Bitcoin has had a heck of a run, sitting at 108,000. I think it's got as high as roughly around 110,000 or so. Past couple of days. Ethereum is doing extremely well, sitting above $2,500 right now. XRP is doing well too, as well, all in the green on the 1 hour and on the 7-day, as well as the 24-hour, sitting at $2.22. If we scroll on down to Ondo Finance, which is number 38 right now, it is up over 3.5% on the 7-day. It is currently down on the 1 hour, but sitting at 77 cents. I did pick up some Ondo last week, but this is an asset that I'm definitely looking to acquire more and more Ondo Finance, because I think that Ondo is another sleeping giant. All right. Quick shameless plug. If you would like to, stay in tune and locked in what's happening in the crypto space, as well as what's happening with the casual crypto investor, make sure to give me a follow on X. Great way for you to stay in contact with me. All right. So a couple of things that I wanted to share. Brian Armstrong, man. A shout out to Brian Armstrong with Coinbase. Basically, he was saying that U.S. banks are closed today and crypto works for you every day. Couldn't agree more. That was probably one of my early aha moments when it came to crypto. When I was just a young pup in crypto and trying to understand it, I was like, hold on, wait, this thing trades 24/7. It doesn't stop. Sunday through Saturday, like just that right there kind of was like mind-blowing experience. I was like, yo, this is something that I need to get involved in or need to invest in. And especially at the time, I think Coinbase, Coinbase was probably my first kind of entry point into crypto. So I downloaded the Coinbase app and I was buying a little bit of Litecoin and maybe a little bit of Bitcoin. But then XRP was on there and stuff like that. So I just started buying like some of these, very at the time, and even relatively to even today, very affordable crypto currencies. And when I saw that, basically it doesn't stop, I'm just like, man, this is like a huge opportunity. And some of these projects are like a few pennies. So I was like, I gotta get into this. And so I think that what's going to happen, as we already know what's probably going to happen, the stock market's going to be tradable 7 days a week, 24/7. It's not going to stop. And it's going to mimic very, very similar to what crypto does today. So that's why I'm so bullish on this particular asset and as well as this particular space. All right. Also, too, as well, Angry Crypto Show tweeted out Justin Cardano surpassed 111 million transactions processed with zero downtime. So super excited for this. ADA is another particular crypto project, or Cardano is another particular project that I'm very, very bullish on too as well. And so it's great to see that they're having this success As they scale, hopefully they can continue to have this success. But I'm very bullish on Cardano, and I think Cardano is another one of those sleeping giants too as well. All right. Also, just in now, this is why I'm bullish on Ondo. We got two big news articles or tweets, right? So Cointelegraph has tweeted that Ondo Finance is acquiring SEC regulated broker Oasis Pro to launch tokenized stocks in the US. So again, like I was mentioning earlier with my entry space into Coinbase, right? And understanding that crypto trades 24/7, this is what's going to happen with stocks. Okay. We will be able to trade Apple. You'll be able to trade Nike, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, all these particular stocks 24/7. It's happening, guys. So super excited for that. And also too, as well, I think by it being tokenized, you're not only going to be able to trade it 24/7, but at the same time too, because it's digitalized, you're going to increase the access of it. So people in other countries might be able to also partake and invest in the U.S. stock market. So I think we're at the early stages, or at the very tip of the iceberg in regards to mass adoption, as well as seeing some of these crypto assets absolutely explode. All right. Next up too as well, more Ondo news. We have Ondo and Pantera Capital have earmarked a $250 million accelerate real world asset tokenization on blockchain. Okay. This is what we're talking about. RWA, real world assets, stocks, real estate, insurance. So many ETF, all these different financial products, all right, are all going to be tokenized. All right. It is coming. And it's like slowly building momentum. Like I've mentioned in other videos, it's kind of like pushing a pebble down a snow hill. All right. And then you have this huge avalanche, right? This is what's happening. The dominoes are falling in regards to that. And we also have an article too here as well. It says Ondo Finance acquires Oasis Pro for $1.4 billion. So that's how much they acquired them for. And so it says right here, Ondo Finance acquisition of Oasis Pro is part of its broader expansion strategy, which now includes over $1.4 billion in tokenization assets under management. So now they obviously have assets under management right now that they're going to tokenize. All right. Moving on, it says the platform aims to digitize equities and lower trading costs through fractional offerings. All right. So again, going back to scaling it financially, because you digitized it, now people can buy fractions and invest, and you can create even more and more financial products in order for people to, acquire assets. Okay. According to analysts, the market for tokenized assets is projected to reach over $18 trillion by 2033. Guys, I know that might sound a far away, but it's really not. Okay. I mean, this year is halfway over. We're slowly inching towards 2026. Okay. And so I think in another 5 years, man, I think we'll be thanking our lucky stars that we have invested in this space. Okay. Moving on, it says in the coming months, Ondo Finance plans to make tokenized stocks available to investors outside of the United States through its global markets platform. What did I just say? Okay. What did I just say? I just said that because you digitized it, now it's more accessible to outside parties, outside countries. Okay. People, as long as you have a cell phone. So someone in South Africa or Asia or any of these other places throughout the world, if they have a cell phone, they can get in the game and invest in some of these assets. All right. Moving on, it says the acquisition follows the launch of the Ondo Catalyst Fund, a $250 million joint venture with Pantera Capital. The new fund aims to assist early stage enterprises by purchasing both stocks and token positions. Ondo Finance has also collaborated with JP Morgan Blockchain, Kinexus, to complete cross-chain delivery versus payment transaction using tokenized U.S. treasuries on the platform's chain testnet. This move reflects a broader shift in financial institutions toward tokenizing traditional assets, including stocks and bonds. Okay. Wrap it up here. It says, with full U.S. regulatory compliance and a focus on institutional grade tokenization, Ondo Finance is positioning itself as a bridge between traditional finance and decentralized finance. Okay. This sets the stage for this next cycle of tokenization, where regulatory compliance and robust blockchain infrastructure will be key factors. And again, who do we know that Ondo Finance has partnered with? XRP, Ripple. Okay. So guys, I am super excited to be in this space. Ondo is definitely one of those crypto assets that I have some, but I'm definitely going to be accumulating more. Hopefully this makes you bullish, and hopefully, this information, resonated with you. I'm not saying that you should invest in Ondo Finance. I'm just sharing my experience and my passion and my love for this crypto space. But guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Are you bullish on Ondo? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like this type of content, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate everyone that supports the channel. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I know I'm a baby channel right now, but I'm looking to try to grow, and super excited for you, for everyone that's in this crypto space. So I will see everyone in the next video. I hope everyone has a great continuation of the 4th of July weekend. And I hope everyone is stays safe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.